It's that time of the month when you actually need to take your skincare seriously. Is it this month? You need to take your skincare seriously because weather can get extremely dry, and if you are not careful, you are going to end up having a rough, chapped looking, dull skin. And the worst part is that you would get darker. Getting darker, you will not escape getting darker. So this period, you want to make sure that you are paying close attention to your skin, because guys, you don't want to go and meet some village people and they'll be looking at you like you are disappearing from your skin. Trust me, you don't want that. That is why you should watch the end of this video, because I'm going to be recommending head to toe skincare products that are going to make sure that we keep our skin moisturized, and these products will not get you darker. They will not get you darker. And if you have already gotten darker, let's get ready to revive your skin. So get a book, get a pen to make sure that you are going to be taking notes of these things I'm going to be saying, okay? I'm going to take note, though I'm still going to leave some products in the description box, but do well to get your pen and your book to write it out, okay? One of the most essential skincare products for our skin is your soap. That is your wash up product. I don't know about you, but if you have like kind of skin that is so sensitive and is very selective, just using random soaps will not do your, like, it's not really going to do your skin any good. You want to make sure that you are using a wash up product that would exfoliate your skin and would also help to give you that lightening effect, okay? These soaps that I'm going to be recommending for you are fast action brightening products. Like I said, we are growing up our skin before Christmas. We want to glow up our skin before Christmas. So these products I'm going to recommend for you, if you can get these products before Christmas, before your D-Day, that day you want to go out and shine, in 1 week, I'm not joking guys, in 1 week you are going to see a noticeable result, a very quick one, okay? For the first soap right here on my list, this egg yolk lightening bar soap. You see the combination, egg yolk. So when it comes to moisturizing and repairing your skin, it is definitely going to give you that moisturization and that hydration that you need. Egg yolk. I have used this soap before, and trust me guys, it's so good, because in as much as I want to lighten up my skin, I am very conscious of using soaps that dry out, because when I use a soap that is very harsh on my skin, it tends to give me a burn on my skin. So that is why I am really careful. So this egg yolk lightening bar soap, it will help to lighten up. If you're even a dark skin and you find out that you do not really love how your dark skin is, you can actually use it. And the next soap right here is this Touch Me bar soap. So this is an acne soap that lightens, okay? It lightens the skin, but it does it in an easy way, and give you a lighter appearance, okay? This soap will never get you darker. Love the fact that in as much as it's going to lighten and brighten up my skin, it is so moisturizing and it's so soft. It gives us this Dove feeling. Whenever I use Dove, you know how mild and soft Dove is on your skin. That is how it works, and it doesn't give acne. So if you have an oily or acne prone skin, then I want to go in for this Touch Me. Sorry guys for my lightning, so I'm filming with my front camera, so that is why it's looking like this. So this is how it looks, the Touch Me. So guys, these are the two soaps right here on my list. They are tested and trusted. It's sold for the price of 3,000 naira, depends on your location as well. And the egg yolk is sold for around 352. So also depends on your location and where you are getting the product from. Scrubbing is very important, because our skin is exposed to a whole lot of free radicals. So many things contribute to dark skin: sun exposure, dirt, stress, anything. So whenever you don't exfoliate your skin and get rid of those dead skin cells, no matter the kind of skincare product that you are using, it's not going to work. Instead, it's going to actually make your skin worse. Then you now be like, maybe the product is not working. Meanwhile, the product is working. So scrubbing is very, very important. Okay, so this face scrub I'm going to recommend it for us today is Vit turmeric and carrot face scrub. I love this face scrub a lot because it doesn't just, it's not just a scrub, it is also lightweight, it's not thick, it doesn't give you a tear on your skin, and like I said, is for the face. Do not use a body scrub for your face that it does not react on your face, because the face is more sensitive to the body. Okay, this one helps for dark spots, it helps to brighten up the skin, helps to clear blemishes, it just gives you this instant pop, this instant shine, and it also helps to heal the skin. Is suitable for what? For all skin type. You have dark skin, light skin, suitable for all skin types. So if your skin is getting darker, get a face scrub, and you need to also try out this one too. It's suitable for all skin type. So that is that about the scrub. My previous video, I've recommended face serums that will actually help to lighten up your skin, brighten up your skin, and give you that visible glow and that shine. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it up right here, or after watching the video, do well to check out that video. Okay, I reviewed like about 4 serums that will actually help to brighten up your skin and lighten up your skin, so do well to check out for that video. Okay, so face serums. After you scrub your face serum, the face cream that I'm going to recommend for you to use this period to give you that instant glow and that instant shine is this aloe vera gel face cream. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that I've talked about this aloe vera gel a whole lot right here on my channel. So this aloe vera gel is actually a good one. It helps in moisturization, it helps to give you that, it replenishes the skin. Because I'm sure you'll be like, it didn't even brighten me up. It will brighten you up. Anything that moisturizes your skin and hydrates your skin, guys, will brighten you up. And this period, especially this dry season, this Harmattan season, this winter season, you want to make sure that you are using products that will not strip you off moisture, in as much as we are trying to maintain that light skin, that beautiful glow. Then at night, you can use your Nano White facial cream. This Nano White too is very, very good. It's pretty affordable. I think it's around 2,500 or 3,000 naira. It helps to lighten up the skin. You can use this Nano White at night. I don't recommend using the Nano White during the day because of sun exposure and because of the ingredients that it contains, so that it just does not, burn your skin and start giving you sunburn. Use it at night. Lightening products are best to be used at night. Okay, they get to work faster when you use them at night. If you can't lay your hands on the Nano White, go for the Face Pads Clear Bright Face Cream. These face pads have very, very good, amazing products. I follow them for a while now and I love their products. This one is sold for the price of 9,500 or 10,000 naira. Everything is still based on your location. Okay, it helps to brighten up your skin. So if you're unable to go for the face pads, you can go for the Nano White. So when it comes to moisturizing your skin during the daytime, you can go in for your Corex face moisturizer. Okay, so the reason I'm actually adding up this cleanser is maybe you have like an extremely dark skin and you are dealing with a lot of impurities. So just using your face scrub alone will not really do the work. So cleanser helps in deep cleansing. It helps in deep cleansing and deep exfoliating your face, especially when you have acne and you want to treat your skin. So one cleanser that I've been using for a while, like I have had it, I've not used any other cleanser except that before, is a Clean and Clear facial cleanser. It has salicylic acid in it. It is not slimy. It doesn't give you this burning sensation on your face, and it's suitable for all skin type. So that is that for the face. One body scrub that I will also recommend for you, this Vit body scrub. I use the facial scrub and also the body too. This Vit body scrub, the ingredients turmeric and carrots. These are very, very good potent ingredient that helps in lightening and brightening the skin. If you do not exfoliate your skin, no matter the kind of skincare products that you are using, your skin is not going to glow. And you don't want to have a case of your face is going to be darker or lighter than your body. One moisturizer I recommend for you is the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Butter Body Lotion. A lot of people have this biased mindset that, oh, cocoa butter will get me dark. No, you cannot be using Touch Me egg yolk soap, using Vit lightening body scrub and get darker. No, it's going to actually help to improve the appearance of your skin tone. So if you have a caramel skin like me, this Vit Gold, this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Butter is also a good one. It helps in moisturizing. This period, don't go and get fast lightening brightening 2x lightening body lotion. Please, you need lotion that would help to keep your skin moisturized 24 hours, 48 hours. You want to make sure that your skin has that 24-hour, 48 hours moisture. Another one is Nivea Cocoa Butter. I've reviewed Nivea a whole lot to my channel, and if you're fair skin, I've reviewed Vaseline body lotions for fair skin. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave the link to the video right here so you can go and check it out and also make your preferred choice. Another cream that I love so much is this EOS Sheer Smooth body lotion. I have reviewed this body lotion like twice on this channel. Like, I just love the lotion, I love the fragrance, I love everything about it. It gives your skin that instant shine. The next category for this video is body oils. You can go in for this Vit Gold turmeric and carrot body oil, or you can go in for your Vaseline Intensive Gel, the gel body oil, or Easy Tone. Why did I say body oil? Body oils are very essential because they help to lock up moisture. They help to lock up moisture to the skin and give your skin that visible and that visible shine and that visible glow. Or you can also go in for the Palmer Success Therapy body oil too. This one helps for dark spots, pigmentation, and to also help to give your skin that beautiful glow and lock up moisture too. After baking yourself, after cooking your skin, sunscreen, make sure that your skin gets that protection that it needs. So the first sunscreen right here on my list is the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. This one is lightweight. Like, after applying, it doesn't even give you a white cast. You won't even know that you even applied sunscreen on your face because it just gives it that shield. Instant absorption, gives it that shield. It doesn't give you any sticky residue. I love this La Roche-Posay. I love it. Just apply it right here on your skin and boom, you are good to go. Okay, the next sunscreen right here on my list is the Geva sunscreen. If you follow me for a while, you know that I've talked about this Geva sunscreen before, because this is one sunscreen that I've used very well. It doesn't give a white cast. It's so moisturizing. Like it even helps to make your skin very soft. This La Roche-Posay is lightweight. It's very lightweight. So once you just apply it, it just locks up everything. It doesn't even show that. It won't even show. But the Geva sunscreen is moisturizing. It has this moisturizing texture, and it helps to moisturize and also shield your skin from the harmful radiation of the sun. Okay, so guys, that is that for today's video. That is that about our head to toe fast brightening skincare products that we need to use to glow up our skin this Christmas, guys. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I know you found this video really helpful. Do well to hit the like and subscribe button. It's a way of saying, Choma, thank you for compiling this lovely skincare product for us together. Okay, so guys, have a beautiful and a lovely Christmas and a wonderful Happy New Year video. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.